Today's tip is short and sweet. Do not park directly in front of the address that you're interested in. And this goes for surveillances, for interviews, for fraud investigations. Anything you're doing, you don't want to park right up in front of the address you're interested in. There are many advantages to this. One thing, for example, in the case of interviews, is that if you park directly in front of an address, or heaven forbid, right in their driveway, the person has several more seconds or even a minute to think what's going on, who is this person, and they get into that defensive mode. If you park a few houses down or even down the street and walk up, frequently you can be knocking on their door before they realize what's happened. When that's the case, the first thing that's going through their mind is, who's at the door? Are you expecting someone? I don't know who it is. And their mind is consumed with question and not with the idea that they should be getting into a defensive mode, into blocking or saying no to an interview request, or formulating lies to the questions you're about to ask them. Obviously, you would never park directly in front of an address if you were doing surveillance, and I teach about that extensively in the Investigator's Ultimate Guide to Surveillance. If you have a micro piece of advice like this that you want to share, drop it in the comments. We can all learn from each other. In the meantime, this is Larry Kaye with ShadowAnyone.com. Remember, do the right thing, even if it's the hard thing.